Alright, good people, what's going on? 3 in a row videos, 2 yesterday, 1 today. Y'all look out, I'm on a roll. Alright, I had to grab these right here because I found this quite interesting. Stick around and you'll find out what I thought was interesting. Now, these are made by a company called Studiofinix. I'll put a link, the Amazon link down in the description below. These are some 6.5-inch waterproof marine speakers. The specifications on the speakers themselves, supposedly 120 watts max power, frequency response 60 to 18, 4 ohms, 91 dB sensitivity, polypropylene cone with rubber edge, molded ABS plastic basket, yada yada yada. Y'all can see it all right there and pause it. Okay. Now, there's one thing that they're not telling us on the box about these speakers, and this is what caught my attention. So, let's go ahead and see what we get in the box. You see, it says Herbio, doesn't say Studiofinix. So we're going to get to that in a minute. Some of y'all may have already caught where it says Bluetooth operation. Let's put that away for a minute. But anyway, so here's your owner's manual for the speakers themselves, and you note it says Studiofinix. So they give a lot of pretty good specifications on the speakers. Try to get this open here. They give you the outside dimensions as well as the cutout dimensions, which is really nice. You're going to see some FCC requirements, and there again, Bluetooth connectivity. So you may already be scratching your head when we're talking about just speakers. So, anywho, I forgot where the cutout, anyway, cutout dimensions are in there. I didn't see that. So, there you go with that. Now, let's go ahead and get to the good stuff. Why do we have FCC warnings and stuff on speakers? That's because of this right here. This comes with the in the package. This is a Herbio Bluetooth amplifier, and it can either be powered off a wall outlet, which it comes with a wall outlet 12-volt adapter, as you can see there, and they also give you a hardwire 12-volt adapter. So that's why I grabbed these for, because I was just like, huh, that's kind of interesting. So y'all bear with me here. I'm in the junk room. I thought I had everything together to do this video, but I don't. But at least we're in the room, and I can grab stuff if I had the stuff to grab right here in front of me. Huh. I knew I had. What did I do with it? Okay, anyway. So, what we're going to do is go ahead. I got the wrong tool for the job, but we're going to go ahead and pop the cover and give you a gut shot of this little Herbio amplifier. And the speaker output is on a, I forgot what type of plug they call that, and that's where you just insert the wires and screw down terminal. So we'll set that down there. I'm trying to get my camera angle right, guys. But this is it. This is your gut shot on, apparently there's a little amplifier chip in here somewhere, and a Bluetooth thing. So I'll try to get real close in here. There again, some of y'all that know more about amplifiers may be able to identify the amplifier chip versus the Bluetooth chip, because I don't know which one it could be. And a little caps right there. Okay, anyway. Alright, so let me get this back together. And that's it for that. So I don't think this would exactly be waterproof, even though this is, the amplifier is definitely not going to be waterproof. So if you install these in like a golf cart, They advertise as a boat, but I don't think there's going to be enough power here out of this to actually work in a boat all that well. So let's go ahead and grab the rest of this. Oh yeah, there's another adapter because it actually comes with two of these little amplifiers. Now the interesting thing with this is there is a little switch, and we're not gonna, where is that switch? Oh, okay, you see that little dip switch right there between the plastic and the plug? Get in there, focus. Anyway, it says TWS. Okay, the reason that that is there is because we're going to hold this up here so we can read it and say when the wiring is all set, make sure the TWS toggle switch is turned on and yellow LED is flashing. So what that's basically going to do is link both of the Bluetooth amplifier boxes together. One will be the master, the other will be the slave, and connect them two together so that way you don't have to have two connections to two amplifiers on your phone at the same time, or try to, which I don't think you'd be able to do. So that is actually all pretty spiffy. So this little set would probably work great as like a little shop speaker setup. I went ahead and grabbed the white set. I'm not sure why, but I'm thinking that, you know, probably work. This would be, if you're trying not to do anything stupid or whatever, like a golf cart, that these would probably be really good at. Now, unfortunately, I don't see any way of actually getting the grill to pop off. But yes, it is a polycone. If we can get in there, it's just a basic wizard cone. They actually have some heft. The basket is plastic. Everything is plastic. They actually got some heft to them. They feel really good quality. And they even come with the little gasket sealer. That's not, you know, I mean, for what they are, I think this kit here, you know what, I can't remember off the top of my head, so I'm not even gonna pretend to tell you what they were. Now, I'm attempting to see if this grill will pop over here in the background. And it's not going to. Okay, I just put a little scratch on it. Oh well, I'm not sweating it. These are probably going to go up for a future giveaway. So y'all be sure to like and subscribe, because that's probably what's going to end up happening to them. So you guys give me 1 second and I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to go ahead and get another speaker out and connect up some power. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. And we're going to give them a little test sound. So yeah, bear with it. Hit the subscribe while you're down there. Hit the like button. Okay guys, we're going to get to hooking them up in 1 second. I just wanted to finish covering. Here is everything that you're going to get. They got everything covered in here for you. Got a whole bag of screws for all 4 speakers. You have, it's like 18, 20 gauge speaker wire, but for the power that's going out, that's fine. There's for 2 speakers, there's for the other 2 speakers. And as we discussed, you get 2 12-volt power cables, and you get your 2 120-volt, 12-volt power adapters as well. 0.8 max output, so yeah. Okay, now y'all give me 1 second. We're going to get power hooked up. Did y'all hit that like and subscribe button while y'all were waiting? Go do it now. I appreciate it. Alright y'all, we back at it. As you can tell, we got her hooked up, and per those instructions, we only hooked one up, but per the instructions, that yellow light is flashing inside of there, because it's looking for another amplifier to pair to. Now, I guess if I cut that dip switch off in there, that yellow light should quit flashing. So we'll flip that. Yep. think yellow light's off. So, I think per the instructions, that yellow light's supposed to be on when it flashes. And when the yellow light stays solid on this one and on this one, then you cut the TWS switches off, and then that's these paired together. Just for this test, I didn't see the point in hooking both of them up. So we got on the, supposed to be some YouTube royalty free, some kind of music something, some kind of little whatever jam. Now keep in mind, people, anybody knows anything about speakers, if the back of the speaker and the front of the speaker is not separated, it's not going to sound like it should. This is just to give us some kind of sample of possibly how loud it can play. It's not that loud. That's why I recommended like maybe a shop type scenario, or like a little work shed scenario, or I think I said golf cart. That's probably ideal, actually. It would be golf cart, but I digress from there. Let's just go ahead and hit this play button and see what we got. Okay, that's great. Take me. As y'all can see, if this front and the back were separated, they're trying to put out some, they're trying really hard to put out some bass. That's kind of funny. Didn't really expect that, but yeah, they're definitely trying to produce some bass. Let's see what this song is. Okay, cool. Enough of that. Anyway, as you can see, they're not horrible. Not horrible at all. I think I think I bowed out on doing the price. If I'm really not mistaken, the price on this whole set was like $129. You know what? If you could do in like a little golf cart, something like that. A little amplifier, man. I don't know what's in there making power, but that was not quite all the way up. And because of the speaker, the back and the front not being separated, it wanted to sound a little more distorted than what I think it really was. So, yeah, I don't think you can really go wrong. Anyway, Alright, y'all. That does it for our look at whether if it's the Herbio, whether if it's Herbio or whether if it's Studiofinix. Either way, not a horrible bargain. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. I got another one. I got another fun one coming up. I got to figure out how I want to do it. But y'all are going to find it quite entertaining. So make sure you hit that like button on this one. Subscribe to the channel. So that way you don't miss that fun video we're getting ready to drop. I don't know if we're going to drop it tonight or tomorrow. Either way, we'll see y'all in that one. Y'all have a good day.